Hi, Chris here with Tune a Day for Flute original series. We're on lesson 9 and this is exercise 9. It's a pretty little melody with lots of 4-note slurs in. We have a 2-note slur and a tie as well. Breathing is every 2 bars. So first off, let's try that first 4-note slur. B, A, G, F sharp. Okay, let's have a go. How did that go? Try it again if you need to. Next slur, C, B, A, G. Thumb off the back for C. C, B, A, G. Let's have a go. So it's easy slowing down. Just got to make sure you make enough breath to get through. The next one is we've already done. Then you have a going up slur for 4 notes. Let's have a go. G, A, B, C. You manage that okay? Shouldn't be too bad. Now, third, slurs over a third. B to G, then A to F sharp. Let's practice those two. Over a third, you've got to make sure you don't get that quack in the middle. Ready? 3, 4. Did you get those nice and clean? If you didn't, just practice them a few times by putting the video on pause. Okay, let's have a go. Melody. Off we go. Count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to include that rest at the end. It's really important. Don't take your flute down until you pass the rest. Okay, nice little tune that one. I hope you're doing okay. If you're having any problems, give me a shout. My contact details are below. We can work out a one-to-one lesson on Skype. Join me next time for lesson 10 and another new note, G5. See you next time. Bye for now.